Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope you are all having such a wonderful evening. It's nighttime when I'm doing this video. And the reason I'm doing it is because today I was at HMV and they had these knockout $9.99 mystery boxes. Inside this mystery box, you're supposed to get a minimum of 5 items. I'm hoping we get more, with an Amazon value of $24.99. So I picked up a couple of these. I'm going to do a couple of different videos. This is the blue box. There was a blue box and a red box. This is the blue box version. And we're going to go ahead and open this. I'm so excited. I saw these today. I definitely had to pick them up. And when I was in HMV, I was chatting with the guy and just basically asking him whether they're going to have more mystery boxes coming in the future. And he said they're going to be Funko mystery boxes, which I'm definitely going to buy. And there are going to be more toy sort of kids boxes coming in the very near future. So I'm going to keep a check on those, and hopefully we do maybe some more unboxing videos in the future. So this is my very first, I think my very first ever mystery box. I'm not really sure. I don't think I've done mystery boxes like this before. So I'm super excited. So guys, these are all taped. So we're going to cut through the tape. I think, is that the only place there's tape? Yep. So we're going to cut through the tape. We're going to open the box and we're going to look at what we got inside. Oh my gosh, I'm like super excited. That's why I had to do the video tonight. I was going to hold off and maybe do it tomorrow or the next day. I just couldn't wait. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What have we got inside the box? Let's open it up and see. Okay, so inside the box, this is what we have. So, let's try and get it set up. Okay, so let's look at our first item because it's glaring me right in the face. Okay, this is a Doctor Who figure. I think this is Doctor Who. It's the 10th Doctor. And is this Tennant? Oh, I'm not a real Doctor Who fanatic. But I think this is figure 8. This is from the BBC, the 10th Doctor. And it's the school reunion. And I think this is it David Tennant? I love this little figure. The box is definitely, the box looks like it has some damage, but I genuinely believe that this might be the actual, just the normal packaging of the box. It's made to look scuffed, to give it a bit of an aged look. But I think this little figure is nice. I love the trench coat, very cute, with the trainers. Trainers are adorable. And yeah, this is a pretty good item. So we're going to go through everything, and then I'm going to check on Amazon to see if we have got our... I would be happy enough to get the $9.99 value back from this box, but if we got £24 or something more than £24, I would definitely be happy. So we'll check out these prices on Amazon. So that's item number 1. Ooh, item number 2. Call of Duty Black Ops athletic socks. These are pretty cool. They're cushioned footbed and arch support. That's pretty awesome. They're a size 8 to 12. So I would say 8 to 12 is men's. They're pretty funky socks. Pretty cool. Let's see our next item. Okay. This is funny. This is a car air freshener. It looks a little like a bobblehead. It's movable, so the bottom actually moves. I don't really know what to say about this. It's a watch and wobble. So it's a watch and wobble car air freshener. And it's in the Fragrance New car. Awesome. This is a Disney licensed product, so that's also pretty awesome. So that's our item number 3. Let me set these just off here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I am a huge Big Bang Theory fan. So sad that the series ended, but I don't care. I watch the repeats. So this is the Big Bang Theory magnet set, and we have Bazinga, with the little lightning bolt. We also have our Bazinga target. We have a magnet that just says The Big Bang Theory, and then another Big Bang Theory one here. So that is pretty cool. And this is made by Commonwealth. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. So item number 4. Okay, guys, so we got 5 items. Our last item is a licensed Marvel, the first Avenger, Captain America, 1940s Captain America shield. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this one. This is fantastic. So guys, this is a Loot Crate exclusive. I don't want to open the box because I'm thinking that I might put this in a giveaway, but guys, this is the Captain America shield that you're getting. This is adorable. I wonder, can I open it without damaging the box? Because I really want to see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yeah, we definitely have to open it. So let's go ahead and pop these little flaps down. And then we're going to go onto Amazon and see if we can get our value back for this money. So the first thing that you're getting inside the pack is this First Avengers Captain America card. This is a certificate of authenticity. It's an official prop replica. That is awesome. That is always nice to have. And oh my good gosh, look at this. This is, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at that shield. That is so gorgeous. We also get a stand. Let's just see if we can open that without... Guys, I'm not going to open this because if I open it, I'm going to tear it. However, it does have a stand on which you can put your Captain Marvel shield and make it stand. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. That is just gorgeous. I definitely think that we got value for money in this this little, we'll pop our certificate of authenticity back in. We'll just pop it back inside the box and carefully close it over. Guys, this is definitely a collector's item. I definitely think our... We'll just pop everything here. I definitely think our money is going to be here. So let's go ahead and look. I'm avalanching everything. We're just going to close this box over. It might make it easier. Sorry, guys. Oh, this is not staying up. Okay, let's go ahead and look at Amazon and see if we got our money back. So the first thing we'll look for are the Call of Duty socks. So, Call of Duty socks. Okay, the Call of Duty socks, and they're not the same, exactly the same as these ones, but they're very close. We're talking about £7.50. So £7.50 for our first item is pretty good. We've almost got our value just in the socks. Let's go ahead and look for, because it specifically says Amazon, guys. So that's why I'm looking up Amazon. Let's look and see our Doctor Who. And let's just find out who make these. So these are made by Eagle Moss. So let's look at Doctor Who, Eagle Moss. Eagle Moss figure. Okay, so, oh, guys, so the little Doctor Who figure, it's a collectible. It's figure 8 in the 10th series. Doctor Who David Tennant is £8.99. So guys, already with just these 2 items, we've already got over our £9.99 value. Obviously, if I was to resell these, I wouldn't be selling them at that price. But we'll talk about that closer to the end. Let's look at the Big Bang Theory magnets. Let's see. Okay. So we're not getting the Big Bang Theory magnet set. Let me just put in set to see if we get that up. They don't, I'm not getting those items on Amazon. So let's check on eBay. Big Bang Theory magnet set. I'm not as fast typing on these things as maybe some other people. Okay, guys, so they range from £2.50 with a £1.99 postage or £4.99 with free delivery. So I'm probably going to say that these are around about £2.50 because that's what they're selling on eBay for. So that's what I would probably go. So guys, we'd probably get 5 for the socks, 5 for the Doctor Who, and maybe £2.50. So we're sitting at roughly about £12.50 so far for those items. Let's go back to Amazon and we will check for the Star Wars bobblehead. Star Wars. What is this called? Wobble car freshener. Okay, let's see what they have on Amazon. Let me see. They have them here. Okay, guys, so these little car air fresheners are selling. Oh, I just clicked into it. These little guys are selling at £5.99 with free delivery on Amazon. Now, would I pay £5 for this car air freshener? I probably wouldn't. I would probably say you could sell this probably for around £2.50. So we're going to say this is probably £15 right here. So what we need is £10 or more from our first Avenger, Captain America shield. So the first thing we'll do is go to Amazon and we'll check Amazon. So we're looking for, it's a very long title. We'll put in 1940s Captain America shield. Okay. Okay, guys, so this is going for, wow, there's one in this there's one of these that's very, very similar to this one that's selling at £60, but that's not the one. Guys, this little Captain America shield is $19.99. So we've done excellent. We've got way over our allotted $9.99. So the box is definitely worth the money I paid for. But if we go 5, 10, I mean, guys, I don't believe that this will sell for £20, but if we go 15, we've got 25, 30. So we've probably got £30 worth of value in our knockout box. So for that, even though these are only 5 items, we've definitely got little collector's items. We've got the Doctor Who and the amazing 1940s Captain America shield. These little bits are probably, I mean, they are selling on Amazon for £5. I've probably been a little bit on the pricing on the lower side. I mean, realistically, it's probably worth at least £40, maybe £50. But I'm going to say it's definitely worth £30 based on the prices that I've checked on Amazon and eBay. And I think this has been an awesome little box. Guys, they do currently have these boxes in stock. But when I was at the shop today, they were selling super, super fast because they are so much fun and they're really, really excellent value. So guys, let me just show you up and close all our little items. You'll see my phone just off at the side. These are all our little items that we got in our $9.99 knockout box from HMV. If you like this box, please feel free and go get one. They're definitely worth the value. If you guys liked my video, please smash that thumbs up. That will help me know that you guys really like this video, and for me to maybe in the future buy more of these mystery boxes that we can unopen together. Guys, if you're not yet a subscriber and you'd like to join my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That'll let you know when I've loaded up any videos. Take care, everybody. I really hope you have the most amazing night. Stay safe, and I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.